millions of cats are destroyed every year because of the overpopulation issues in the United States. To me, I think if you are going to be a responsible pet owner, your cat, especially cats, if nothing else, should be spayed. We do not need more kittens in this world. We do not need more cats dying in shelters. And cats don't do great outdoors. There's a lot of things out there, coyotes, children, cars, that can hamper them. Some really bad viruses. So we do not need to increase the cat population. So get your cat spayed. And lastly, a lot of people don't know this, every estrus cycle or heat cycle that your cat goes through increases their risk of mammary cancer. So it's very important. That whole business about let them go through one heat cycle, no, don't. Reproductive rights, et cetera, for pets, we can debate about that. But as far as having a cat who's going to live a long, healthy life and a happier life, if anyone's ever heard of cat and heat, it's not fun times, would be to get her spayed.